Are you looking for an affordable real estate option that will keep you close to some amazing amenities? Well, here in the Woodlands, Cambridge community, you'll find so many fantastic options that are walking distance, like shopping, schools, recreational activities, a downtown core, and so much more. So don't waste any more time. Let's get you in to see this property because it could be your new home. Whether you're looking for a new investment opportunity or just a place to call home, this beautiful 2-bedroom is perfect because it's functional, clean, recently renovated, and easy and ready for you to move right in. So don't hesitate, contact the Mayer-Harman team today to get your own private showing.